In this video, I'll be showing you how to blur your video background in CapCut. This is a very important part of video editing, especially now that attention is the new currency. You don't want the audience to be distracted by what is happening behind you or your background. You want them to focus on you. You also don't need to have experience in video editing or graphics design. Just follow these simple steps and you are good. CapCut has two types of users, the one who subscribed for CapCut Pro and the other one that is using the free plan. We are going to be doing it in both ways. Now open your CapCut app and click on create a new project. After doing that, you upload your video into the project. After uploading your video into the project, go to the effects tab by the left. If you're using a phone, you might have to scroll to the effects tab. So you scroll down there and go to video effects. It's already in my favorites. You can see blur and you can also see spot blur. That is for the blur is free. You don't need to be a pro plan user to use that. While spot blur is quite easier, but you have to be a pro user. So click on blur. Let's do the one for the free users first. Click on blur. If you don't have this as your favorite, you can just come here and search the word blur. You can just type in blur, right? And then you can see both of them. Well, I already have it in my favorites. Now you just have to click on it to add. You can notice it's small in the canvas. I'm holding Ctrl to enlarge the canvas. So I'll just take it down through all the video. Now if you see the blur effect on it, it's covering both the person talking and the background. We don't want that, right? So unlike spot blur, where when you just put it, it goes on directly and leaves the subject out, blurring only the background, will just blur everything. So in this point, we'll have to mask. If you look at the right side of the screen, you'll see a mask feature there. Make sure it is highlighting the blur effect, not your video, right? So highlight the blur effect and click on add mask. Sadly, so this rectangle is supposed to do the way, if I do this now, it shows that I want it to be in a rectangle form, but that is not the shape of my subject. So we are going to use this pen. It is very simple. So click on the pen and you get a pen icon with your mouse. So what you would do is to select every other part of the canvas except your subject. So it's very simple. We're going to start from, let's start from the top here. Just stay with me. We are going to the left. Click. Just click on it. Don't worry about its smoothness. We'll figure that out later. I'll show you how to make it smooth. Then if you want to shift it, you can just hold the anchor point and just move your mouse. I'm working with only my mouse. I'm not holding any other thing. Highlight like that. If it's too close, you shift it as well, just like this, like this. All right, now we're being careful so that we don't select the subject itself. This also applies to any other thing you are blurring in your video. It doesn't have to be talking head. Like you can see those videos where sensitive data are displayed on screen and you don't want viewers to see it. You can also use the blur feature to just rule it out. So yes, and this is it. You can see the effect already. Now to make it smoother, we are going to add filter, the filter option at the bottom. Make sure it is still highlighted. Remember, we've not clicked anywhere else since, so just increase it and just make it blend so well. If you notice, when the filter is too much, it gets into the subject, so you want to make it moderate. So you can just tweak that on your own. Now let's go over to the second one. The second one, which is the spot blur. You notice the difference between both of them. The spot blur was made for talking head videos. Okay, you can see that we really didn't have to do anything else. You can also tweak the intensity of this blur, right? Basic, spot blur, range, strength, glow, all of it. You just tweak it a little bit, and that's it. There's no need to max on this, but you have to be subscribed to CapCut as a pro plan user. By the way, if you benefited from this video, subscribe so you get to see me again, and don't forget to drop your comments. That's the only way I get to meet you. If you're interested in CapCut editing tutorials, you can do well to check this playlist.